Allô, parents, yo, c'est Mrs.Jerome-Severe. Bon, vidéo ça, m'a pral fait quand moi te gen un pile parents qui dit moi ti moun yo qui ti problème pour yo exprimer tête yo, pour yo expliquer tête yo. So ça m'a fait pas tout le temps, mais parfois comme ça, m'a fait un petit vidéo côté m'a montré ti moun yo en photo et puis yo même n'a travaillé ensemble pour yo ka décrire ça yo ouais parce que là yo ka expliquer ça yo ouais langage yo vin plus avancé. Okay, boys and girls, Miss Jerome is coming today to do a video with you guys. We're going to describe what we see. What are we going to do? We're going to describe what we see. You see, the man is holding a pencil on his lip. He's going, what do I see? So let's see. And then let's have a lot of talking. All right, so let's have some fun. All right, so this is Miss Jerome-Severe. Let's have fun. All right, so the first picture is, tell me, what do you see? Go ahead, look. No, before you start talking, I want you to look. Tell me, what do you see? Okay, I'll give you a couple seconds to tell me, what do you see? Kisa we? Kisa we na photo wa? What do you see? What do you see in the picture? Okay, I see something. I see something very funny. Yes, the dog is wearing glasses. Anything else? You should see 3 things, even 4. So wearing glasses is 1. The dog, what is the dog doing? Or he's looking, or he's staring. Yes, he's looking or he's staring. Staring means he's looking at something straight. He's not moving. Where do you think he's sitting in front of? Yes, he's sitting in front of the computer. Yep, he must be a smart dog using the computer. All right. And there's another thing about the dog. He is very sad. No, he's not sad. Happy? No, not happy. What do you call when you're not laughing? And when you're not laughing, your face is straight. You are very serious. That's right. You're very serious. Yes. So let's repeat. What do we see the dog? Let's describe the dog. The dog is looking at something. The dog is wearing glasses. He's very serious. He's in front of the computer. And what about the color of him? Yes, he is brown and white. Yes. And also one more thing, he's a cute dog. What is he? A cute dog. All right, so let's do another one. You ready? Don't laugh. All right, so we already named 3 things. Let's see if we could name 3 things that you see in the picture before, okay? So that was a dog in front of a computer, wearing glasses, and very serious, and yes, cute. Yes, he's brown and white. All right, let's look at the next picture. So what kind of sentence can we make with the dog? What kind of sentence can we make with the dog? We could say, I see a dog. Can we say that? Yes, I see a dog. We could say that. What other sentence can we say about the dog? Yes, you could say a dog is wearing glasses. Yes. What else can we say? A dog is It's a brown dog. Yes. What else? Oh, yes, I hear you. Yes, he is sitting in front of the computer. The dog is sitting in front of the computer. Oh, I heard you. You said the dog is looking at someone. Oh, I heard you too. You say the dog is staring at someone. Very good. Ou di chien a gade yon moun. Ou di chien noir et blanc et marron. Ou di chien mette lunettes. Et puis ou di chien a gade yon bagay. Alright, so let's do the next one. Can you tell me what do you see? I'm giving you a couple seconds. Don't wait, keep looking. Look for things. All right, raise your hand. What do you see? Qui saw where? What do you see? What animal is that? Yes, that's a cat. Yes, that's a cat. Yes, that's a cat. And what does it look like he's wearing? A hat. Okay. Did you say he looked like he's wearing orange? Okay, he's wearing something on his head. Yes, he's wearing something on his head, maybe an orange. Oh, yes. Did you say he has blue eyes? Yes. You say he's sad? Yeah, he's looking sad. Did you say he has whiskers? Yep. Do you see his whiskers? His whiskers are right here. These are his whiskers right here. Did you say he's black and white? Yes, he's black and white. Okay, he's black and white. Yes, yes, yes. Did you say he's an animal? Yes. All right, let's go to the next slide. Can you name 3 things about the picture we just saw? Yeah, it's a cat. Yes, he's wearing something on his head. Yes, he has whiskers. Very good. Yes, he's white. He looks sad. Oh, wow, that's a good one. And the thing on his head looked like a bowl? Yes, very good. All right, so let's go to the next slide. Let's make a sentence with the cat. What kind of sentence can we say with the cat? All right, so let's say the cat is wearing a fake hat. Can we say that? The cat is wearing a funny hat. And what do we put at the end of a sentence? A period. Yes. That's when you're finished. The cat is wearing a funny hat. And look, I started my sentence with a capital letter, capital T, and when I finish with my sentence, I put a period. Yes. So go ahead, when you finish watch the video, you could make some sentence with your dad and your mom. Ou ka fin gade video, apre sa ou ka fe phrase avec maman, avec papa. Excuse me. Oh, too funny. What do you see? Tell me, what do you see? Yeah, okay, I'll give you a couple seconds to tell me, what do you see? Yes, an elephant trying to stand on a ball. What else do you see? Yes, the ball has different colors. What else do you see? Yes, the elephant looks like he's by the beach. Do you see the water? Do you see the water over here? Yep, look like he's by the beach. Yes, he's maybe, oh yes, did you say maybe the sand is too hot? There's the sand. Maybe the sand is too hot. Oh yes, did you say maybe he's trying to put on a show? Yes. What kind of elephant is he? Did you say maybe he's a baby elephant? Yes, maybe he's a baby elephant. Oh, did you say he's curious? He's curious because he's trying to find out what would happen if he steps on the ball. Qui so we? Ou di un éléphant? Et pas un éléphant, non, un petit éléphant. Li a cherché camper sous boule là. Et ou di li bon la mer, oui. Peut-être sable chaud. Yes. All right. So let me go back to the other video and let's see what do you have to say. Can you name 3 things you see in this picture? The picture before, the elephant picture. Okay, so you saw an elephant. That was good. Raise your hand, raise your hand. The elephant is standing on a ball. Yes, raise your hand, raise your hand. Did you say he's cute? Yep, he's cute. Yes, he's by the beach. Did you say he's very curious? Yes, he's curious. He wants to know what would happen if I stand on the ball. Silly elephant. All right, let's do the next one. Let's make a sentence. What kind of sentence can we make with the elephant and the ball? You're thinking? Help me, raise your hand. Raise your hand, raise your hand. Oh, that's right. Thank you. I'm going to write it. The elephant is standing on a ball. The elephant standing on the ball. Alright, so I'm done writing my sentence. Thank you for helping me. And you could make more sentences with your mom. Merci d'être aidé écrire une phrase. So, on can faire l'autre phrase à maman. You could see I start my sentence with a capital T and I end it with a period. That's mean I'm done talking. So let's read my lesson. Let's read my sentence. The elephant is standing on a ball. Very good. All right, so that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to tell mommy to press the red button so you guys can see more videos. I want you to learn and become smart. So this is Miss Jerome-Severe. See you later, alligator and a wild crocodile. Ok, c'est Miss Jerome-Severe. Encouragez ti moun yo pou yo fè phrase avec yo. Yo nou wa fè l'autre phrase. Si yo pa konen, ba yo phrase pou yo fè. Le yo gade photo an, c'est pou yo gade, pou yo ka fè une phrase, pou yo ka dicte ou ki sa yo wè. Sa apede ti moun nan porte attention et parti langage li. So this video is to help your child build his language skills and able to describe what he or she sees in the picture. All right, this is Miss Jerome-Severe. See you later. Bye.